Want your Snapchat photos to automatically save directly to your phone's camera roll or gallery instead of just inside Snapchat memories? Here's how to change your settings in a few simple steps. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. Next, tap on the gear-shaped settings icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Control Center or My Account section and tap on Memories. Here, under the Save Destinations header, tap on Save button. By default, Snapchat saves your snaps to Memories. To change this, select Memories and Camera Roll if you want your photos saved in both places, or select Camera Roll only to save them directly to your phone's gallery without taking up Snapchat storage. Once selected, tap the back arrow. From now on, whenever you take a photo and tap the Save button at the bottom left of your screen, it will instantly save to your device's photo gallery. If this quick Snapchat tip helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.